To create a presentation in GPS Capture, add media elements to your playlist. You can add images, videos, songs, text, or Bible verses. Let's add each type of media to our playlist. To add an image, click the Add Image to Presentation icon. The window that opens will allow you to choose a JPEG, GIF, or PNG image. Left double-click an image to add it to your playlist. You can also hold the Control button to select multiple images. Or you can left-click and drag a box around multiple images you want to add. Click Open to open these images in your playlist. To add a video, click the Add Video to Presentation icon. The window that opens will allow you to choose a MP4, WebM, or OGV video. Left double-click a video to add it to your playlist. To add a thumbnail to your video, play the video to the location you want, then click the Set Thumbnail button. To add a song, click the Add Song to Presentation icon. The window that opens will allow you to choose a GPS song file that you have created previously in GPS Capture. For instructions on creating songs, watch the help video Creating Songs. Left double-click on the song to add it to your playlist. GPS will create slides for the song lyrics. To add text, just type or paste text into this text box. I'll type some text. Then, click the arrow at the top of the box to add it to the playlist. Note that the text is added to the bottom of the playlist. To add Bible verses, click the Open Bible icon, if the Bible is not already open. You can add a background by clicking the Set Bible Verse Background button. Note that the window to add a background opens in the main GPS Capture window. Click on an image or video from my computer, and left double-click an image or video. The selected background will remain your background for all Bible verses until you change it. Now let's add some verses. The interactive Bible window has been designed to allow you to add Bible verses to your presentation very quickly. Let's add the verse from Jeremiah 29:11. First, click the text box above the Bible book names and start typing a Bible book name. Notice that as you type, the Bible book matching the letters you type is selected. If I type J, the first book beginning with J is selected, which is Joshua. Next, I will type E. The next book beginning with JE is selected, which is Jeremiah. This is the book I want, so now I will press the Tab key on my keyboard, which moves our cursor to the text box above the chapter numbers. I will type 29, which will highlight chapter 29. Now I will press Tab again to move the cursor to the text box above the verse numbers. I will type 11, which is the verse I want. You will see verse 11 is highlighted. Press the Enter key on the keyboard, and you will see it is added to the bottom of the playlist. Let's add another verse, but faster this time. I'll add John 3:16. This fast UI allows you to display verses to your audience even while the presenter is speaking, if the verse that is spoken is not already in the playlist. Optionally, you may also drag the Bible book, chapter, and verse scroll bars to your desired verse. Clicking on a verse number or on the verse itself will add that verse to the playlist and display it to the audience. Now you can see our presentation contains all the images, videos, songs, text, and Bible verses we have added. If you would like to change the order of your media elements, you can click on the up or down arrows, or left-click and drag an element up or down. The farther up or down you move it, the faster the playlist will scroll. To save the presentation, click the Save This Presentation icon and enter the name of the current presentation. You will notice the date and time you opened Capture is added to the front of the name of the presentation. This is to prevent duplicate file names and to help organize your presentations. Type the name of the presentation into the text field using only letters and numbers. Special characters like commas, quotes, question marks, etc. are not allowed. When finished, click OK to save the presentation. Clicking the Open a Presentation icon opens the Presentations folder, where you can choose a Global Presentation Streams presentation file with the extension GPSPres. After you choose the file you want to open, the media elements in that presentation are loaded into the Media Playlist area as line items. The media elements are also loaded into the Content Media area. If you would like to transfer a presentation to another computer, click the Create Zip of Presentation for Transfer icon. Type its name in the text field and click OK. All the media elements in your playlist will be zipped into a single zip file and saved in the C Global Presentation Streams Presentations folder. You can transfer this zip file to a removable storage device like a flash drive, or save it to a cloud like Google Drive that you can access from another computer. In the rare case that there are issues with the system that prevent use of GPS, you can print your slides on paper to present from as an emergency backup. Click the Print Slides icon. A message appears asking you to not scroll the media window during printing. Click OK. In the print window, select your desired printer and click OK. Your slides will print with 3 slides on each page.